In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on a suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access System. Then select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and as you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!